and Fiverr.com. This is a freelancing marketplace. You know, on the other hand, lots of people are working on this platform as a beginner or a professional freelancer. So there are lots of categories. You know, this one is first one, programming and tech, WordPress, and lots of subcategories are on this marketplace. And second one is graphics and design, are lots of subcategories on this category. Third one is digital marketing, and fourth one is writing and translation, and next one is video and animation, music and audio, business, lifestyle industries. So if you want to earn extra cash, you have to be skilled first time, and skill is main thing. On the other hand, this is first and foremost secret key to earn much more money on these online platforms. There are lots of professional marketplace: Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Upwork.com. Fiverr is such types of marketplace which helps to earn extra cash as a beginner or a freelancer from this marketplace easily. So how will you start your journey? Now I'd like to share a simple thing. If you want to earn money online, just click on this articles and blog posts. How will you earn extra cash? By writing article for different types of websites and blog sites. Today I want to share this one. You know, article is such types of most and foremost part and parcel for any types of blog sites and websites. On the other hand, different types of websites are Facebook's face or pages. You can earn money by writing lots of professional articles for any types of blog or websites. If you are a writer or content creator, just this video is bonus only for you. So how will you write article? You can earn extra cash by this using Google Docs. On the other hand, you can write any types of articles on your Microsoft Word. So any types of platform you can use to complete any types of articles. So how will you do it? Now, first of all, how will you create an account in this platform, I mean Fiverr.com? Just you have to join this one, and you have to provide all types of information to create a professional profile on this platform. Now I would like to share another thing which is very helpful just only for you. If you come to my YouTube channel, just click on this playlist and you will get 8 tutorials about Fiverr.com. How will you create an account on Fiverr.com? How will you create gigs? Step by step, all types of information are available on my total 8 videos. So I could request to watch this all types of videos before starting your journey on Fiverr.com. So just today I want to share. Now if I click on this here, this one is first gig, this one is second gig, and this one is third gig. You know, article writing is part and parcel for any types of website and blog, but if you want to earn much more money, you have to increase your gigs by doing SEO. So SEO is secret key, but if you search on youtube.com, you will get lots of SEO tutorials to learn or to gather knowledge. How will you rank your gig on Fiverr.com? Now if I discuss with you, this guy has sold these gigs 1000 plus. Wow, this is an amazing. If you rank your gigs on this platform, you will earn much more. Now I would like to calculate this one. If I open this one, and this guy has sold 1000 plus gigs and his rating is 4.9 out of 5. So this is in an amazing, I think. So if you open this calculator, now if I calculate this one, now before calculating this one, I would like to open this gigs, which is the condition total about this gigs. I will write 500 words quality blog or SEO articles within 24 hours. Now this is a total criteria to decorate your gigs for ranking more and more. And this is packages. First one is basic, second one is $50, third one is premium, which is $75. If you count this one, only $5 for basic package, if any clients or people buy these basic packages, how will you earn? Now I would like to share this one. So open the calculator. Now if I calculate this one, only 100 gigs has been sold on $500. Total will be 500, and if you count the total month, how will be? That's it. This one is 15,000 total. So if you earn more money from this only one website, this is called fiverr.com. You can earn extra cash if you can rank your gig on this platform easily. So finally, I strongly recommend you to watch my previous videos to rank your video and create your account on fiverr.com. This is the first thing. Now I would like to share another trusted website which is bonus tips and tricks just only for you. I would like to share this one is called taxbroker.com. This is a trusted website to provide all types of professional content. I mean for any types of blog or website. So if you want to earn extra cash, you can jump up on this platform as a content creator, or on the other hand as a freelancer. So after coming here, you are watching this one. Do you need writers to create unique content? You can do this easily. You if you are scrolling down on this platform, you will be watched this trusted websites which is called Yoast, Staples, eBay, also iProspect, 1&1, Conductor, which is involved with this taxbroker.com. Just you have to click this sign up button here, and after clicking on this, you will get two options. Number one is a client to order content. You can work as a client. On the other hand, you can work as an author on this platform. If you want to work as a client, you have to click this one. And now I would like to share some simple tips and tricks. How will you create your account? You have to provide your first name, last name, email address, and password, and domain name, and how did you hear about it. You can provide all the information. You have to select this country from here and check on this checkbox and just click on this register button. So that's it. If you want to work as a client, you have to create an account on this platform. On the other hand, if you want to work as a author or the content writer or article writer, you have to create an account after coming here on this platform. Mind it, you have to read all types of criteria from this page before starting your or before creating an account on this platform. Taxbroker.com is authors must be at least 18 years of age and a citizen of or permanent resident of this United States. Mind it, two criteria are available on this platform to create before creating an account on this here. So as you can see here, this one is first time 18 years old, and second one is permanent resident of the United States. So if you are a article writer of USA, you can create an account just providing all types of information here. Profession, and you have to select the state of residence and how did you hear about it, and this one is expertise, and email address, password, repeat password. You have to click this checkbox here and just click on this sign up, and that's it. Your account will be created on this platform. And after creating this account, you have to just wait for ensuring work to earn extra cash from this website. So today I have shared with you just only two websites, which is called, first one is fiverr.com, which is very important professional or non-professional, or on the other hand as a beginner. Now I would like to I cordially request to create an account on this platform to make money online. This is very pretty cool and easiest way to start your journey on online platform. On the other hand, second one is called taxbroker.com. You can work as a client, or on the other hand you can work as a content writer, or on the other hand article writer. So I cordially request you to use these total two platforms before starting your online earning journey. So stay cool, stay connected, and stay connected with